What's up? For a lot of DJs, learning to scratch can feel confusing and random. It's easy to get stuck just copying what you see or practicing without really knowing if you're getting better. That's why our philosophy is built around structure and simple steps. We've seen how much clearer and more empowering it is when you actually understand the basics like rhythm and timing and how scratching fits in music. That's when progress happens. We have this philosophy because having an understanding of music theory gives us a clear system for teaching. It allows us to break down scratching into simple parts and explain exactly how each piece works. With this structure, we know every lesson and every practice step has a purpose. This way, we can teach with confidence and make sure that nothing is left to guesswork. We have this philosophy because theory gives us a clear way to teach the basics. Music theory is a language, and understanding that language helps us communicate more clearly about music. By focusing on the fundamentals, we can break down specific scratch techniques in a way that you can repeat and build upon. We have this philosophy because we create a method that takes the guesswork out of learning to scratch. Our goal was to build a clear step-by-step system that anyone could follow. We didn't invent scratching, but we worked hard to design a way to teach it that's reliable and makes sense. This approach gives us a solid foundation for moving DJs toward to intentional musical expression. Thanks for checking us out. Peace.